Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Today we have a very exciting coin to show you. Yes, I did say coin. It's got this uniquely shaped box, so you can see it's a bigger piece. It is a product from the New Zealand Mint and we are celebrating 100 years of Warner Brothers, but it's also Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. So this is a 5-ounce silver proof color coin. You can see all the licensing there of this product, everyone that is involved in putting this piece together. We've got this lovely purple box that houses this piece inside. It's really, this coin does look good enough to eat, everyone. This is an amazing piece, I have to say, and yeah, after looking at this piece for a while, you really do feel like chocolate. So proceed with caution with this unboxing video because you may feel like eating chocolate after we have a better look at it. So realistic, straight off the bat, so realistic. I love the coloring on this. It's just on point. It really does take you back to the original Charlie and the Chocolate Factory Willy Wonka movie with that outer casing there. You can see that here we have a value of $10 and it is produced by the country of Niue. There on the bottom again, you can see it's another 5-ounce, 99.9 silver. And here on the reverse, we can see some more silver there in the alloy foil. Let's try and take it out of the capsule, really, to get a closer look here. Now, I did say the original film, that was, of course, produced in 1971, and it's definitely one of those classics. For sure. Just seeing those Wonka bars there. I remember as a child watching this movie and just being so enthralled by the story. And of course the Chocolate Factory, that Wonka bar. Fantastic. So cool. I mean, the printing that's been done on this in regards to the chocolate, it really does look like chocolate. Lovely edging there on this piece. And it's phenomenal that this is in fact a coin. Great that they've done it in the 5-ounce because it is a larger coin, obviously closer to the size of a real chocolate bar. It's a very exciting piece and just a lot of fun as well. So for anyone that is a fan of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Willy Wonka, Wonka bars, yes. So realistic, you do feel like eating it. Definitely a fun piece. Love the detail around the alloy foil there and also the alloy foil and the chocolate, sort of how that would actually look if it did come out of a packet. Just a nice another piece of detail there. You've got that mirror finish there on the obverse, and I've got to be careful there not to get my own reflection in it. I don't want to spoil this piece by any means. Very nice. Licensing there. Now, this has a limited mintage of 500 pieces. You've seen there that it does come with the numbered certificate. That's obviously part of the packaging there. And it's just an awesome piece for those Wonka fans out there celebrating 100 years of Warner Brothers Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and it's just been done in such a wonderful way. So if you're interested in one of these Wonka bars to take one home, you can check it out on our website. That's www.emk.com.